Okay, today we're talking about a do-it-yourself barn door. So here's a solution for you. If you have a wide door opening with no door, you could do curtains or bifold doors. We chose instead to go with this barn door kit between the master bedroom and master bathroom. And so I made the door myself out of some cheap wood pine. And there's a little side panel in addition to the door. Side panel is stationary, obviously. So that allows you privacy when you're in the restroom. It slides easily, quietly. You can stain the wood or paint the wood. Here's a close-up view of the hardware. You can see the rollers and the metal rail they roll on. And I just simply use some L brackets to mount a stationary panel to the header and down at the base at the floor to hold it in place. Again, simple pine construction. And you can see the hardware. It's a bolt together kit, pretty simple and straightforward. I highly recommend you make sure you bolt it to the wood structure, the studs in the wall if you can. And I simply use like a black metal gate pull handle you can buy at Lowe's or Home Depot. And on the inside, again, you can buy this little recessed round handle at Lowe's or Home Depot. And here's the sliding barn door hardware kit we chose. We bought this 5 years ago. It's gone up in price since then. Bought it on Amazon.com. This one's 6.6 feet wide, but they come in different lengths depending on how wide or skinny your door opening is. And this is the wood that I was telling you about. It's just tongue and groove wall plank that I use wood glue and small wood screws to glue and screw together. And then I use some 1x4 wood planks to make a frame that I attached all the tongue and groove boards to give it more structural rigidity. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.